Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Update your Sony Bravia firmware and the phone app because outdated software causes lag. Once done, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band. 5 GHz gives more bandwidth too. 4 GHz gives range. Disable VPNs and heavy background apps on the source device. This frees CPU and network. Also set the phone or laptop to high performance or streaming mode. It reduces power throttling and stabilizes frame delivery. Now optimize the network and casting settings to cut latency. You should position the router and TV closer and clear interference from microwaves or Bluetooth devices. Physical obstacles add packet loss. Then enable CoS on your router and give your Sony Bravia priority, or assign a static IP to avoid renegotiation delays. Next, lower the mirroring resolution to 720p. This reduces bandwidth demand and smooths playback. Finally, restart the router, TV, and source device so new settings apply cleanly. Finish by choosing the least lossy connection. Plug the TV into Ethernet or use an HDMI adapter from your device. Wired links eliminate Wi-Fi variability. Once wired, restart devices in order, router first, then TV, then your phone or laptop, so routes rebuild properly. Make sure the TV's picture mode isn't adding processing delay. Disable motion smoothing. If lag persists despite these steps, try mirroring from a different device to isolate the problem, and only then perform a display settings reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.